What's up guys, it's Opus Games here. Today I'm gonna show you how we can get a free iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the first thing is you wanna take your phone, I'm just gonna use the Samsung here, and you wanna open it up and place these two cards in it. So these equal 12, you're gonna only need 11. So we are actually one generation ahead of everyone. So just close this up. Like that. So if it doesn't close, you take your tape and you just tape it together. So like this. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna take your fidget spinner and place it right where the camera is. And then I'm gonna take your glue out and put a little bit glue on the spinner, like that. And then you put it right like this. So next up, you take your Apple sticker and you just place it right on the phone. So there you go, the back is finished. Perfect. And to make it secure, you tape it again. So let's go to the front. You just take your iPhone 11 Pro screen, just tape it on. It's that easy. Yeah, a little bit glue obviously. Yeah, perfect. Nice. So there you go, you have your new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Perfectly finished. Looks good to me. So if you like this video, comment, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.